Brubaker is a home and commercial service company, and we specialize in plumbing, HVAC, and electrical, and we also do kitchen and bath remodeling. Brubaker was founded in 1945 by Wayne Brubaker. He started in the plumbing and spouting business. Wayne was really big on customer service, so it was really important to him that his customers felt valued and taken care of. And we honestly have some customers still today that started with Wayne all those years ago. Wayne's sons joined him in the business early on, and in the 70s, Wayne actually transitioned the business over to Don, Jerry, and Dave Brubaker. So they had it for all the years until 2024 when they sold it to the employees and we became a 100% ESOP. ESOP is an employee stock ownership plan where stock is given to the employees as long as they've been with the company for a year. After 6 years, they become fully vested, and that money, as we grow every year, is put in a retirement plan for every member of our team. Our customers value working with us because we are a care brand. So we are very, very sensitive to the fact that customers are not always happy about inviting us into their home. It's usually a disaster or something isn't working. What our customers say the most about our team is that they care. When they come in their home, they feel like they can trust them. It's not just about quality work. It's about going in and helping people when they're in a time of need and making sure that we're doing our best every single time. I am so proud of Brubaker because not only do we have a team that every single day shows up and lives out our culture and our core values, but they also love serving our community. Our future at Brubaker is so bright. We are really excited to continue our employee ownership journey. We have plans for expansion in the future. We are moving into a new facility. We just have so many opportunities and we are all really excited.